Humanity is going back to the moon, but this time it's bigger, bolder, and smarter. Welcome to the Artemis Mission 2025. NASA's Artemis program is humanity's next giant leap into space. Think of it as Apollo 2.0, but with way cooler tech. Its goal? Land the first woman and the next man on the moon and establish a sustainable human presence by the end of the decade. Artemis isn't just about moon boots and selfies. It's about building the foundation for future missions to Mars. And yes, it's a stepping stone for us humans to become interplanetary. To pull off a mission this audacious, you need some serious hardware. It's not just one piece of tech, but a symphony of engineering marvels working in perfect harmony. So what makes Artemis tick? Let's break down the three core components that form the backbone of humanity's return to the moon. First up, the muscle, the Space Launch System, or SLS. This isn't just any rocket. It's NASA's super heavy lift behemoth, the most powerful rocket in the world. Standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, the SLS generates a staggering 8.8 million pounds of thrust at liftoff, thanks to its twin solid rocket boosters and 4 RS-25 engines. Its job is to do the heavy lifting, launching the Orion spacecraft, its crew and cargo on a direct trajectory to the moon in a single mission. So yes, you can think of it as the ultimate Uber to the moon, but it's one that can carry the weight of a blue whale into orbit. Next, we have the brains and the heart of the mission, the Orion spacecraft. This is the vessel that will be home for our astronauts as they travel through the harsh environment of deep space. It's far more than just a capsule. Orion is a state-of-the-art exploration vehicle, built with lessons learned from over 50 years of human spaceflight. It features a life support system that can sustain a crew for 21 days, advanced autonomous navigation, and a heat shield designed to withstand re-entry speeds of nearly 25,000 miles per hour. It's the ultimate deep space survival pod, designed to keep the crew safe, comfortable, and productive. Finally, the crucial third piece of the puzzle, the Lunar Gateway. This isn't just a destination. It's a command center, a science lab, and a waypoint in deep space. Think of it as a mini space station orbiting the moon. But unlike the ISS, the Gateway will travel in a unique, highly elliptical orbit that provides an ideal staging point for missions to the lunar surface and eventually to Mars. It's like a lunar Airbnb, but with much better views and a research lab attached. Astronauts will use it as a hub, transferring from Orion to a lunar lander to descend to the surface. Its modular design, built with international partners, means it can grow over time, making it the key to a sustainable long-term human presence around the moon. Artemis isn't just one flight. It's a carefully planned series of missions, each one building on the success of the last, taking methodical steps back to the moon. It all began with Artemis I, a spectacular uncrewed test flight. This was the ultimate dress rehearsal, pushing the new Space Launch System rocket and Orion capsule to their limits. For over 25 days, Orion journeyed farther than any human-rated spacecraft ever. Its main passenger was Commander Munikin Campos, a high-tech mannequin fitted with sensors to measure radiation and acceleration. He gathered critical data to ensure the ride would be safe for a human crew. The mission was a resounding success. Next up is Artemis II, putting humans back in the lunar neighborhood. For the first time in over 50 years, a crew of 4 astronauts will venture out to the moon. They won't land, but they will pilot Orion on a 10-day journey, looping around the far side of the moon before returning home. This is the final critical test of Orion's life support and navigation systems with people on board, a crucial shakedown cruise before the main event. And then comes Artemis III. This is the big one, the historic mission returning humanity to the lunar surface. Using a specialized human landing system, 2 astronauts will descend to a region no human has ever explored, the lunar South Pole. This landing will be a monumental achievement, placing the first woman and the first person of color on the moon, inspiring a new generation. The South Pole was chosen for a reason. Its permanently shadowed craters are believed to hold vast quantities of water ice. This ice is more than just a potential source of drinking water. It's a game-changing resource. It can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, breathable air for habitats, and crucially, the components for rocket propellant. This is the key to building a sustainable presence on the moon. This concept, in situ resource utilization, means we could one day refuel rockets on the moon for missions deeper into the solar system. So when you imagine astronauts on the moon, picture them as scientists and prospectors, unlocking the resources that will fuel our future. And yes, maybe one day, you could even sip some moon ice water. So, with all this talk of rockets and orbits, you might be asking, why should I care? It's a fair question. But Artemis isn't just a multi-billion-dollar space flex. It's a critical investment in the future of humanity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and taking our first real steps toward becoming a multi-planetary civilization. This mission matters on multiple, profound levels. Enjoying the journey? Give us a like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. First, there's the sheer thrill of scientific discovery. The lunar South Pole is a treasure trove of cosmic secrets. Its permanently shadowed craters hold water ice, frozen for billions of years. This isn't just water, it's a pristine time capsule. By studying it, we can unlock the history of the solar system, understand how water was delivered to planets like Earth, and even find clues in the search for life beyond our world. It's like opening a history book written at the dawn of time. Then there's the engine of technological innovation. Pushing the limits in space has always improved life on Earth. The Apollo program gave us everything from cordless tools to CAT scans. Artemis will be no different. The challenges of long-duration spaceflight demand breakthroughs in life support, creating new systems for recycling air and water. The need for powerful, lightweight materials will drive advancements in manufacturing. Every problem solved for the moon is a potential solution for a problem on Earth. And perhaps most importantly, there's the power of inspiration. The first moonwalk inspired a generation to dream bigger. Artemis is our generation's Apollo moment, a declaration that we are still explorers. And let's be honest, it's just incredibly cool. Seeing human footprints on the moon again, in stunning high definition, that's a story we'll tell our grandkids. It's a shared human adventure that can unite us, reminding us of what we can accomplish when we reach for the stars. A legacy far more enduring than our social media feeds, even the ones with the really cute cat videos. Artemis isn't the finish line, it's the starting line. NASA plans to use lunar bases as a springboard to Mars. Long-term, we're talking permanent lunar bases, mining resources from the moon, preparing humans for deep space survival. So, while Artemis lands astronauts on the moon, it's really training us for life among the stars. The moon is just the first chapter of humanity's next great adventure. And that's a wrap on the Artemis Mission 2025. Exciting times are ahead for space exploration, and we're just getting started. If you want more updates on NASA, black holes, and all things cosmic, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next.